What's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Couples That Get Sprayed Together Stay Together. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here. Hopefully this is a good one.
Somebody found his glasses?
Hit me out right now!
Shut your mouth! Shut your mouth! I can't see nothing, dog. I need water right now.
Today, on Uncovered, police were called to investigate reports of a fight going on inside of a nightclub. However, it seemed that whoever had started it left before they could be confronted. As police were exiting the establishment, they seemingly find who they were looking for, as he immediately starts another fight with the bouncers. Watch him turn into a complete baby and get his girlfriend arrested too when police pull out the pepper spray.
You gotta go. Now you're gonna deal with them. You gotta go. I don't know them. Let me take them to the now you're gonna deal with them. I don't know them. Let me take them to the floor. Nah, he ain't going to. Now you're being stupid. Henry.
You let him go.
Yeah, I was walking out and they hit me. What are you talking about? I ain't get. No, don't refuse it. Yo, Henry. Somebody found his glasses? No, grab that spray.
One thing I never understand is when guys are dealing with a situation, let the guys deal with the situation. You know what I mean? Even if you got a girlfriend with you or something like that, like that's fine. But I don't like when, you know, when the ladies get into a situation, you know, with that got something to do with fellas. You know what I mean? Like, y'all just stay, you know what I'm saying? I don't need the backup. You know, it is what it is. Like, for example, if I'm out, right? And, you know, I don't act a fool anyway, but, you know, you don't go looking for problems. Sometimes problems just come to you. And if I'm getting into a situation, let's say I got a girl with me, I don't want the girl to jump in and think that just stay out of trouble. Just, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't need you involved, because now you got the guy getting into something and the girl, she's going to go down too, because she's, you know, trying to, I guess, support her man or whatever she want to call it. But no, when guys is handling something, just let the guys handle it, ladies.
Marco detail today. We're gonna have 2 arrests. Somebody's car for transport. Everything's going here. Also, D. Carvalho. I'll take both arrests. We're gonna have 2 arrests. Hey, do it fair. Sign me a bus to the cell block, please. They both got made, so take a seat.
You guys sprayed me for no reason.
Take a seat.
I was just telling him to calm down. It doesn't make any sense. You guys are dumb.
Yeah, but you're not telling him to calm down from a distance. You right up in the situation. That's what I mean.
Oh my God, you guys are the worst cops in the universe. I hate you guys.
Barcode detail
I didn't
today.
do anything wrong.
Give me a job. Disorderly group. I'm gonna have. Do me a favor. Sign me an ambulance to the cell block, please, for 2 people who got maced.
Hit me out right now.
Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
No, you. You guys sprayed me for no reason. Are you guys dumb? I'm gonna sue you guys, all of you. You guys don't know where my dad is.
All right, Barcode detail. We're all good over here. So it's just source a car for transport.
Lift my shirt up. My is gonna come out, you asshole. Lift my shirt up.
Going to Barcode or the cell block?
The cell block. These guys, they're all going inside the cell block. They're all under.
Lift my shirt up. My is about to come out and my face is burning. You guys.
Do me a favor, preferably, can we have also a female officer respond here?
Hey! Lift my shirt up, please.
I'm not touching you. You're a female.
Okay.
I was just about to say that. Like, he not gonna, you ain't gonna get no sexual assault charge on it. Like, come on, man. Cop too smart for that now. Come on, man. And I mean, it looks all right. I mean, I don't know. I don't think it's about to pop out. I mean, it's not like she got cannons anyway, whatever. But anyway, let's continue on.
Told You don't want to touch me, but you threw me against the ground for no reason. Like, and you guys.
Get in the car, please.
You guys sprayed me for no reason. I can't see you. Tall.
13, do you need a step on code or cell block?
Hey, Tech, you mind just transporting this girl for me, please? Because, yeah, it just makes it easier. Female transport to female. Stop spitting on me.
The pepper's in my mouth.
13 for south.
Oh my God.
Hey, Peck, I'm just walking over to you so we can get her out of here. Carval to me here.
I need the ambulance.
Peck, here. Peck's out right there, so I can just put this girl in the car. Bro, it's my bad, bro. What happened?
Oh my God, I need a seat.
Yeah, Chris, my bad. She's a chick. She said her was falling.
Alright, everything's under control here. Large crowd. If you could, just start some cars over here to move traffic along.
Marco, it's okay. Tell me what car.
Bro, I can't see.
All right, bro.
I'm over here. Hey, you guys sprayed me. Bro, I didn't do nothing.
Okay, come to my car. Come to my car.
Bro, I ain't do nothing. I can't see.
Come here. We're good here.
You have to be in the jail, right, or no?
One car to Mary.
Yo, preacher, you have to be in the jail, right?
What?
I can't see. Henry.
Marco, detail security. Officer B. Carvalho, bring your job. Disorderly group, we have 2 arrests. Do me a favor, send me an ambulance to the cell block, please. For,
I can't see,
people
dog.
who got me.
I can't see.
Come this way.
I can't see where I'm at, dog.
You're not gonna see. I'm gonna give you water though. Come here.
Oh, it's really good show us around.
All right, I got you.
Am I going home or no?
No, bro, you're under arrest.
I'm under arrest for what?
I park with you.
I can't see nothing.
Come here.
I can't see nothing, dog.
Sounds like car
You're gonna need water, bro.
I need water right now.
Okay, you have to sit down right here. Sit down right here.
Please, can you give me water? I can't see nothing.
Sit down, bro.
Please, bring me home.
Sit down. Just sit down.
Just take me home, please.
Bro, sit down.
Just take me home, please.
All right, bro.
Yo, please, just take me home.
Hey, can we have also a female?
Yeah, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. I mean, come on. How many times do I gotta tell you to sit down? You know what I mean? I'm not. If that's the case, fuck it. Throw him in the car, man. Whatever. He could get what do they call it? Not detoxed, but decontaminated. You know, whatever. Somewhere. You know, when we get down to the jail or whatever, like go to the eye wash station, or if the ambulance is gonna come to the side or whatever and wash his eyes out. But I'm trying to help you out here, and you just gonna keep. Sit down so I can get you some water. Even though water alone really ain't gonna help that much, you really need soap and water. But you know, I guess it's something that's better than nothing, I guess.
Yo, wait, why y'all doing this to me? Yo.
That's it, bro. You got some now.
Yo, bro, I can't see nothing at all. Come on, please. Yo, please, sir.
What?
Can you let me out? I can't feel my eyes, please.
I can't let you out.
Why not?
Cause you're under arrest.
Please, sir. Please, I can't feel my eyes, man.
All right, hold on.
I can't feel my eyes. For real, I can't feel my eyes. My eyes just really hurt, bro. Please.
Yeah.
Yo, please. Yo, please, I can't feel my eyes. I just want to go home.
I'm not going home
Please.
Watch out, come here.
Yo, please,
Come
sir,
here,
please.
come here.
I can't do this no more. No.
Watch out. Open them now.
I can't.
Now no, listen to me. It's gonna hurt, but now you need to let the wind just open them.
Yo, sir, you can't let me go home?
No.
Please, sir.
I can't, that's it, man. You're under arrest.
Yo, sir, please.
Hey, Hughes. Because I gotta get something from you. She started assaulting the security staff. He started assaulting the security staff. He started assaulting spit on you? Yeah. Okay, so listen, I'm gonna have to get your info down. He started assaulting everybody. It's basically the whole club. Wait, what's that? Somebody threw that at you? Nah, bro. I got the spray on her and then they got on me. Oh. Now you don't want that spray. Yeah. My bad. But he did it.
Shout out to the bar or whatever, because they actually got some decent looking security guards. No, you know, like no homo pause. You know what I'm saying? But what I'm saying is like, is, you know, they actually have a presence about them, you know, because you go to some of these clubs and it'd be like skinny little like nerdy guys that just like, you'd be like, if something really pop off, what the hell are you gonna do? You know what I'm saying? But, you know, they actually got an intimidating presence about them a little bit. Shout out to them.
Told you? Did he spit on you?
Yeah, he spit on me.
He spit on you, and he hit you as well?
Yeah, he was on to Houston. He tried to hit you.
I just gotta get your info, though. Because I saw the altercation occur outside where he was pushing you guys, causing a fight. But you said prior to that he did spit on you?
Yeah.
Okay. And you were like the press charges, correct? You guys went with the press charges? But he was causing disturbance to the club, right?
Yeah, this is disturbing.
And you said he spit on you, correct? And he did start striking you guys?
Come on, nah. Come on. I like how the officer tried to slip that in there, but come on, man. That's a brother right here, man. This ain't, do he want to press charges? No. Yeah. Nah, like, you know, he'll help get a little information, you know, but listen, we ain't doing all that. You know what I'm saying? Like, nah. This guy might want to press charges, you know, but him right here, nah.
Because I saw the active fight going on, but just confirming with you guys out from my camera.
So you're swinging out security.
What's the contact number? I got the contact info already.
Yeah. Hey, but the whole police station got it.
Appreciate you. Thank you, bro.
Hey, bud. Thank you.
The male suspect was arrested for disorderly intoxication and resisting arrest, while his girlfriend was arrested for obstructing justice. If you enjoy...
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.